Want to enable advanced comment filtering on Instagram on your iPhone? After watching this video, you can block more unwanted words and improve comment control. So, look no further. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on advanced comment filtering in Instagram. So, let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app. Then, tap on the profile icon below. Next, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on hidden words. Next, here, enter keywords like kill, murder, suicide, etc. or specific emojis commonly used in sexual suggestion, harassment, or spam signals. Next, tap add. Now, if any comment contains these words, it's moved to a hidden request folder that doesn't trigger a notification. So, that's how you can block more unwanted words and turn on advanced comment filtering in Instagram on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.